did some shopping. I did, I only bought a couple things, and I'm here to share them with you guys because my last couple style boxes, as nice as they were, there were hit or misses. I don't do hand wash, you know, the jeans were too short or whatever it might be. And for me to spend my money on an item, it has to be something I'm going to reach for. So let's just start with this top. This blouse is so pretty and it is something I normally wouldn't pick out for myself. But when I was online on the EVEREVE website, they had up to 70% off. So I'm like, yes, please. So I did a little poking around, came up with a couple items. This blouse is so pretty. It is sheer. There's a cami that comes with it. It's black, it's a V-neck, and it has spaghetti straps that are adjustable. So that's nice. So it's 2-in-1. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? It is so pretty. Let me show you the print up front. I don't know why I'm drawn to this. I'm usually not a print girl, especially flowers, but I love this blouse. The V-neck, the buttons in the front, there are small little buttons. There are little loops around them. So unless you absolutely have to unbutton it, you probably don't want to. The V-neck, it has the little ruffle around the neck, which I love this style. Love this style with the V, the ruffles, you know, I'm a ruffle girl. So pretty, a little bit of elastic, but it's loose. It's not real tight and it's not too loose. The sleeves are perfect length for me. I am 5'3", I almost said 5'4", I've shrunk. I'm wearing a size small and it fits great. How much was it? Regular price, $88. Right now in the store, it is $69.99, but my price when I bought it with the sale, $55.99. So for $56, it's like, let me try. If I don't love it, I will return it. But I love it. It has the straight hem. So you could wear it out or you could tuck it in. I think it looks nice tucked in, but I don't know, I kind of like it out also. All right, let's talk about these pants. Oh, I didn't tell you what this blouse. This is an EVEREVE brand, and it's just called the Ruffle Print Blouse, I think. Everything will be in the description down below. If you'd like to check anything out, you can get more information on it. So I will leave the links to everything. All right, let's talk about these pants. I bought a pair of Spanx. Remember the Black Friday sales last year? I bought a pair of Spanx because I love them so much. That came in one of my boxes. I think it was Stitch Fix, but I couldn't bring myself to spend the money on them. So with the Black Friday sale, I bought them. Yep, I sure did. They are the perfect, they're called the Spanx. These are considered called the perfect high-rise flare pants. I love, love, love these. They have a little seam down the front, which I wasn't so sure about, but I love these. They are a pull-on. I'm wearing black, and they also come, it's called Classic Black, and they also come in a Classic Navy. I am wearing a size medium, but honestly, I think I need the size up to a large, and I'm wearing a regular. The regular is a little long. I have the highest heels on that I own and can wear, and they need to be just a little bit taller. But these are so comfortable. Like I said, high waist, they are pull on, no zipper, no snaps. Very, very comfortable. They're expensive, ladies. They're expensive. The pants are $168 regular price. I bought them on sale for $134.40 plus shipping. And I was gonna return them. I was gonna exchange them. They don't have exchanges. You have to return. And the sale's over, then I would have to pay full price to order another pair. So I'm hanging on to them. I still have the tag on them. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should take them in and get them hemmed or if this is size that's gonna be okay. I'm not sure yet. But the Spanx, these Spanx come in a regular, a petite, and a tall. I should have probably got the petite, but I was afraid they would be too short. For some reason, for me to be able to wear heels with them, and that's what would look best with this particular pair of pants, they might be too short. Let's see, what else can I tell you about them? They're machine washable. They have a hidden core shaping technology. They are fitted throughout the hip and thigh, whoops. And they have 4-way stretch. Oops, I can't seem to stand up. They are really, really nice. So I don't know if I should just get them hemmed and hang on to these, or if I should size up to a large, but a petite, to see if I need to get some more room in them. But then I'm thinking you shouldn't have that much room in them. I mean, they're sucking me in and they are comfortable. So maybe I should just keep what I have and go get them hemmed. Because I love these so much, I would spend the money to get them hemmed. But I'm going to show you how you can change this outfit up. If I keep the pants, the ones that I own, and get them hemmed, I will dress this up with a blazer. It will just make me feel a little more comfortable. It hides the back end. You could do a little closure if you want, or just leave it open and it's still gonna kind of hide this area that some of us are a little self-conscious about. So I would definitely wear this jacket. This jacket, oh, this is so nice. It is by Nic Zoe, and it's like a knit. So it's not a real jacket, and it's not a cardigan. It's an in-between. Love this. I think it's very flattering. And yes, it has pockets and it's machine washable. Yep. Now, if I wanted to dress it up a little bit more, I would put on something to give a little bit of contrast, which is this camel color jacket that I own. I've had forever. That just kind of brings the two together and breaks it up. Honestly, I kind of like it both ways. If you have a jacket that is this color, more something like a little, like a camel or a little, like a light brown, it will help kind of bring it all together also. Okay, let's see what else I have. Next, I have this cardigan, and as you can tell, it's a shorter one. It's by Design History. It is really cute. I bought a medium. Maybe I should size down to a small. It's a little big, but it is machine washable, and I am going to throw it into the dryer. So I'll have to look at the material to see how much cotton's in it, or material that would shrink. If not, then I might exchange it for a small. But look how cute this is. I've tried this on with different tops. I left on the cami from the last blouse. That works great with this. I like the V-neck with this, the detail on the front of the cardigan. This is called the Tessa, and this is a gray, not a white. It's really soft, and like I said, it is machine washable. Piece of fuzz on there. To the gray. It's looser here. It's not a puff sleeve. It has the black buttons, so you could button it up. I would never button it. I like it loose. I mean, you could. I don't know how well the lines would line up, these stripes on it. Well, let's button it up while we're here. Somebody's gonna ask me, and I didn't do it, so here we go. That looks nice. Now see, a small, it would probably pucker. Cute. I had changed into a pair of black jeans that I have. So let's see. I like it open myself. It's got a slit on the side, on both sides. It's the same length all the way around. The sleeves are a nice length. They're a little long maybe for some of you, but this is perfect for me. I like them longer. And as you can see, it has the longer cuff, and then it's just a little ballooned here, but not much. This is really pretty. How much is this? It is regular $98. $98. It is so soft. Let's see, on sale, actually, I think it's on sale right now for $39.99. What a good deal, I think, for this particular cardigan. I like that it's not too short and it's not long, and I paid $31.99. So this is gonna be a keeper. This is something I could dress up, dress down. I think it looks good with the black jeans. You could wear a lighter pair of jeans with it. Okay, this next item I'm going to show you, I bought a pair of shoes, and I was so excited about these shoes. I have them on, and they are the heeled Loafer Mules by Dolce VITA, and they are patent leather. Look how pretty these are. The heel is 2 3/4 inch. The block heel, I was so excited to get these. They're normally $150. EVEREVE has them on sale for $56. $56. I think they're still on sale for that much. I am wearing a size 7. I will give you a better look at these. I don't know what, I'm kind of on the fence. I have to walk around the house some more in them, because the heel is so big, and because they're mules, when you walk, you're dragging that big clunky heel up with you, and it's heavy. It's heavy. Let me show you the shoes. Okay, what do you guys think? They come in sizes 6 to 11, at least on the EVEREVE website. I don't know. I bought these because I thought they would be good to just slip on if we're gonna run out and go to dinner or something, that I would just put these on and kick off my gym shoes. That was my thought, but I wish it was a regular shoe instead of a mule. So I'm leaning on returning these, but I'm gonna wear them around the house and see how I like them before I make that decision. And that's it. That is my little shopping haul. What do you guys think? Let me know what your favorite is. If there's anything you think, oh no, girl, send that back. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.